Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so uh, um, thank you for joining me. We have a word problem here we're working on, and for this particular type of problem, we're looking at the volume of a cone. Okay, this is the shape of the volume of a cone. We're going to find the volume of the cone. The volume is the measurement of the inside of this shape. And think of volume as liquid, right? We're going to fill this cone up with liquid. We want to measure how much liquid we could fit inside of this cone. So I just wanted to start off by saying in this particular type of question, this question has the formula in the question. But if it's not in the question on your exam, it will be given to you on a formula list. I believe, if I remember correctly, you are given a formula list as well as a conversion of units list, and you could use that list. You do not have to memorize the formulas and the different things that you need to typically in mathematics. As I was doing math in junior high and high school, you had to memorize. Well, that is no longer the case now, typically, at least not for these standardized assessments. So it's going to be a word problem. We're going to be finding the volume of a cone. And I'm just going to jump right on in here to it and get started. And so let's get it done. All right. An ice cream shop sells cone-shaped cups with dimensions shown. So here is the shape of a cone. We have 2 1/4 inch. I'm going to be giving you some information on how to convert that fraction. And then we have a dimension of 5 inches as well. I'll be going into explaining these in detail and how to convert and do some other things that are going to make your life a lot easier. Okay, but I will get into that in just a moment. So I'm going to continue reading the actual problem here and also show you the formula and the different options A, B, C, and D. What volume of ice cream can each cone cup hold? Question mark. Give your answer to the nearest tenth of a cubic inch. The formula for the volume of a cone with radius r and height h is V equals 1/3 times pi times radius squared times the height. You have option A, 19.9 or 19 9/10. B, 6 6/10 or 6.6. C, 11.8 or 11 8/10. Or D, 5 9/10 or 5.9. Now again, I'm going to get into a lot of details in the coming videos. This will be a multiple part video. All right, and I want to go over how to use the formula, how to organize, how to find the values in the formula, multiplying with fractions, okay? And if you look here, I want to pay really close attention, and I'll mention this in later parts of the video. Options A, B, C, and D give you, is it fraction form of an answer? No, it's a decimal form of an answer. So if you're not familiar with fractions and decimals, you can check out my videos on converting fraction to decimal to percents, and then percents to fractions to decimals. Okay, that will help you in going through this video. Maybe also take a look at my video on fractions. Okay, I have a video on adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. That will help you in understanding what we're going to do in the next few parts. You can check out my video on substitution. Substituting values or simplifying expressions. That's where you substitute values into a formula. Another video that will help you out in understanding what we're going to be doing here is exponential rules, right? R to the second power. You're going to need to understand exponential rules. All right, and then multiplying with fractions, I think I just mentioned. So these are some of the skills that you want to get pretty familiar with. Also, PEMDAS, order of operation. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It's a way to remember what operations come first in order with every step of every problem, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. She had some beans last night. She's feeling a little gassy today. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Trying to be a little funny here, but I'm also trying to help you to remember the order of operations, the easiest way to remember what you do first in order for every step you take in math. Hey, thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Hey, if these videos helped you, please help me to bring these to others. Please like, follow, and share these videos. I have a goal to reach 20,000 followers, and so I know it takes time, but if I've helped you, please help others. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step.